Hello everyone, Alka is back with Alp, and today we are going to talk about the miracle of self discipline. Discipline, discipline, discipline. What is this discipline? Teachers tell us to be disciplined, parents tell us to be disciplined, and often I feel myself that I ought to be disciplined. Now we'll find out in this presentation what exactly is the role of discipline and how we can be self disciplined. Let's see. So, discipline. Aristotle rightly said that discipline is the obedience to the rules made by the society for the benefit of all. Now, this has got discipline. It is the obedience to the rules. There are set rules laid by the society, and if we abide by those rules, we are called disciplines. It is as simple as that. So, man is a social animal. You all know that. You have studied that since your childhood. Man is a social animal. He has to live in the society, and therefore he has to follow some norms that have been laid by the society. And thus, if he follows them, he is called a social person. He is called a well-disciplined person. Otherwise, people say there's no discipline in this person. So let's see. You don't need motivation. You need discipline. Not you, I also. If I am disciplined, I do not need any kind of motivation. I don't want the people to come and tell me, Alka, you do this. If I get the slightest of the click, I'll do it. Nobody forced me to make these videos. It was only my inner conscience that was telling me, Alka, you can do it. You you will be successful if you do it. And that's what I did. And I feel, though I may not be the best, but I am climbing my ladder of success. Yes. So, if you are disciplined, motivation will follow you. Somebody has said that discipline is the bridge between the goals and the accomplishments. Rightly said that visualize, actionize, and actualize your dreams. Unless you visualize things, you will not perform the actions to complete them. And if you're not going to perform the actions to complete them, you will never be able to achieve in life. And therefore, self discipline is controlling your behavior and actions responsibly without being told. You don't need somebody to come and tell you, Rahul, don't make noise in the class. Shivam, don't run in the class. You know you are in the classroom, that means you're there to study. If you're on the playfield, nobody is going to tell you. You need to follow the rules of the playfield and do your best. That's it. There's a Native American saying that goes, we ask for strength and life gives us difficulties, which makes us strong. Many a time we ask God, oh God, give me strength. But in return, at times we get a lot of difficulties. That is the way God teaches us to become more disciplined. The more we are able to handle our difficulties, overcome our difficulties in life, the better life becomes for us. Many a time you must have seen this kind of a chart hanging in your classroom, the rules for the classroom. Listen to your teachers, be nice to others, keep the classroom clean, don't play in the classroom, maintain the discipline all the time. Often seen this, na? These are simple tips. We all know these. But we tend to break them. Now, this is the circle of discipline. How can all these things teach us discipline, self control? Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. Often, 110 times you must have read this. But how many of us actually follow this? Today, the student came to me saying the same thing. She said, I had often heard my parents telling me, but I used to think I can't wake up early in the morning. But then I realized there must be something in what my parents are telling me. And I tried to follow it. Okay, I'll try. 1 day passed, 2 day passed, week passed, 10 days passed, and then I actually realized that what my parents are telling me is right. I actually realized that when I woke up in the morning, I was getting more time to do the work. My mind was fresh. I was able to learn better. I was able to do much more things, many more things rather. And that's how I learned self discipline. You need to be trustworthy, obedient. You must have seen when people go on the journey to the tourist places and all, they are dirtying the heritage, the tourist destinations. Is that discipline? No. We ought to preserve our heritage so that the future generations can enjoy them. Love, all these constitute and help in making of a disciplined person. Why is self-discipline necessary? I'll just pick up a few points. It helps, it is the power to follow the decisions, leads to confidence and self-esteem, gives us happiness, strength and satisfaction, helps in competitive excellence, and gives us flexibility and originality. So, self discipline is an integral part of our lives. What will happen if we develop our willpower and self discipline? We need to develop them to strengthen our abilities and attitudes. We need to ensure politeness and respect. We must overcome the laziness, weakness, shyness, procrastination. Shun them. Get up, walk. Vivekanand ji had right, Swami Vivekananda had rightly said, arise, awake, and stop not till your goal is achieved. And to ensure individual concentration, persistence, and motivation, a strong willpower and self discipline are the need of the hour. These are the 9 weapons to develop our self discipline. I'll be taking a few of them with examples in the future slides. Maybe the willpower, the discipline, self control, persistence, detachment, very important. Conceptualization, to create that concept, imagination, and innovation. They are all integral and they will empower us to make us self disciplined. Self discipline is like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger you will become. And the less you train it, the weaker it is going to become. It is said that a human body is like a machine. The more you work on it, the stronger you will get. Acceptance. Everybody loves acceptance. If I go to a place where 10 people are standing, I will always feel that if I go there, people should be happy seeing me and not turning the faces and moving in and out, finding reasons to move out. I hope everybody wants. So, acceptance is a must. It is often said, be a part or be apart. Either be a part of the discussions or be a part. In Hindi we say भाग लो या भाग लो, या तो participate or run away from the situation. Willpower. A strong willpower is needed. The difference between a successful person and the others is not the lack of strength, it is not the lack of knowledge, but rather it is the lack of will. This was said by Vinci Lombardi. So, to be successful in your lives, you need to have a strong willpower. Often heard this: hard work is the key to success. So, be meticulous in lives. Do the right thing at the right time and at the right place. This is the most common error that we do. We make a mistake in any one of these, either the right place, right time, and right thing. We need to check. Persistence. It is the ability to maintain the actions regardless of our feelings. Come what may, I will keep doing my work unless I finish it. Discipline weighs ounces, but regret weighs tons. Remember this, students. The discipline of clear thinking. Fast people decisions are usually wrong people's decisions. So take time, think, and then decide. The discipline of daily goal setting. That's very important for you people as students. Focus and concentration are the essential qualities of success in life. Time management. You all are ready to give your exams, your board exams. Time management is a must. Discipline of courage. Do the thing you fear, and the death of the fear is certain. I often use it in their classrooms. Face the fear, and the fear will disappear. Excellent health habits. Eat less and exercise more, and that is the key to a healthy person. Continuously learning. To earn, you must learn. Earn and learn are the same, only the L is added. Continuous learning. Persistence, we've already talked in one of the slides. Your vision map is a must. Make your vision map, make your growth map. In life, write your own stories. Create your own stories. Every individual has a story to tell. What is your story? Embracing the present moment. Accepting and loving your body. Healthy relationships. Unleashing your creativity, and the gifts of gratitude and blessings will bring us a world of possibilities. Nourish yourself with positive self-talks. You need time to introspect yourself, to talk to yourself, to think positive of yourself, and see how the world changes. Say goodbye to the words like impossible, if only. You can accomplish everything and anything if you believe you can. So always say, today is the best day of my life and I will give the best out of myself. Put others first. Respect and regard others without neglecting yourself. Look for the opportunities. Give the best to another. Take the smallest piece. Let the driver behind you have the most convenient parking place. My mother used to say in Hindi, "Apna khaya kisne jana." You may eat, even add salt to a chapati and have it. But if somebody comes to your place, he should be treated royally. Rise above the likes and dislikes. Don't enslave yourself with just sit rigid set of likes and dislikes. Learn to accept, even to like things. No matter, try to remain even minded, resourceful, and happy in your lives. Share the noble ambitions of others. I believe in you. Your goals are my goals. You have the talent and self discipline to succeed, and I will gladly encourage and assist you. Remember, the more centered you are on the target of life, the more accepting and loving you are going to be, and the easier it will be for you to calm, sense your inner guidance, and use the willpower to take action. Discipline yourself, and others won't need to discipline you. I would just like to read out a few important things over here. A teacher cannot be efficient if the class is undisciplined. So, the schools, the colleges, education totally depends on discipline. It reminds me that army, a disciplined army becomes a successful army. Take the example of Babur, the founder of the Mughal Empire in India. He defeated 1 lakh undisciplined soldiers of Ibrahim Lodi with the help of 12,000 well trained and disciplined soldiers of his own. So, dear friends, wish you a very happy, disciplined life. Wish you all the success, and discipline lies within you. Just a little exercise. You may have a pen and a copy with you. So you all must have, I hope you know ABCD. है ना? So if A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3, just write out discipline, calculate it. Just write out attitude, calculate it. These are two very important words. When counted together, they are going to make it 100. So, it proves that discipline and attitude in life are going to make you a cent percent personality. So, wish you a disciplined life. God bless you all. Happy learning.